Hi everyone, welcome to this course. Thank you for taking the time to watch this quick getting started video. My name is Liz Zarnicki and I am an adjunct faculty member here at Westfield State College. As you can see, here's my little welcome screen. That's a picture of me. If you are on campus, this picture, among others, are listed outside of the psychology department so you can see what the different staff look like. One thing that you will find throughout this course, this is a typical introduction slide to many PowerPoints and videos that you are going to see. I really like this background in PowerPoint, so you'll see it a lot. A little bit about myself. I am a full-time therapist. I work in substance abuse treatment. I am also an alumna of Westfield State University and former member of the Psychology Club and president of Psych-Chi. So I'm very well versed in psychology, and one of my main focuses in education and teaching is to help students learn based on their learning styles and also information that they're interested in. So I really look forward to getting to know each and every one of you throughout the semester. Some quick facts about me. I enjoy playing tennis. I have a cat and her name is Pickles, and my favorite color is purple. Throughout the semester, as we do different activities, I tend to grade things quickly, so you should have most responses quickly. So I look forward to this semester. Thanks.